he mauri o rā. E ngā mana, e ngā waka, e ngā karanga maha. Mai i tihirau i te taira awhiti. Ki ngā kuri a whara i tauranga moana. Mai maka tū ki Tongariro. Huri atu ki te rerenga wairu e te tai tokerau. Takahi ngā maunga haruru. Me te tiritiri moana. O te wai paunamu, tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā tato katoa. Kia ora. My name's Howie Morrison Jr. and welcome to Hunting Aotearoa. In the next few weeks, we'll travel to many rohe, meet many hunters, learn lots of techniques, hunt many animals, and hopefully taste them too. So come and join us as we go hunting Aotearoa. Tēnei wiki, taitai whakangahu puaka tau ki Atiamuri. Arā, kei te bullring. E whakataitai tēnei e whakahaere ti ana o ngā rā e rua, mai te rā horoi, taino atu ki te rua karake i te ahiahi o te rātapu. Ka pōhiri tia ngā kai whakamau puaka, huri noi te motu ki te whakataitai ma te kotahi mano tāra. Ka whakamatauhia te taumaha o ngā puaka, ko te puaka ki te taumaha o Wainganui, ko tērā ka wikitoria i te whakataitai katoa. E whiwhinga anō hoki mo te puaka kaitarawa, ngā rei hoki o te puaka me ngā wahine whakangau puaka, ka mutu taonga hoki mā ngā tamari. Kaore anō kia eke ki te paupautanga o te rā, kei te rere mai ngā kai whakangau me a rātou puaka. Ko te nuingo e nei puaka i mau ki ngā ngahere paina. Ko tūwhere ngā ngahere paina ki te hunga whakangau me e rā e mauana i ngā pukapuka whakaaitanga rai hanara nei. Oi anō, i tēnei wā kia whakawhiti atu tātou ki ngā kai whakahaere o te ringi pūru ara te pūru ki a Bruce Nawakoronda Deforms. What actually got you guys started in this?
Oh, I've been interested in hunting all our lives.
Families, pig hunters.
All pig hunters all our lives, so.
Lived here all our lives.
So
Nice people.
always good people. Country people are good people.
But it looks like you indulge in a bit of the old wild pork yourself.
Got to. I haven't had the fatal problem of gout yet, though.
All the kids, they're all hanging around and the eyes get so excited and no, I just love it. I love all seeing all the families come in and we seem to get a lot of new ones and it's really good.
And a lot of people know us, now because of it.
Not all of them are country people, there are a lot of city people, so it's really good. Auckland, we've had three up from Christchurch, so it's
Once
getting
just
bigger.
flown back here to go back early. One flew back to Christchurch, he just shot off about an hour ago.
Yeah,
We got two from Whangarei,
yep.
and we got them from Gisborne, all over the country, so.
Do you hunt yourself? Have you been out hunting?
We hunt, we hunt.
Which one's your one hanging up?
I haven't got one.
No, we don't hunt in our
We
own
don't hunt
competition.
in our competition.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, no.
Not fair.
No, well, I got an advantage, I live here.
Mea, ka kore kaimahi me ngā kai whakahaere, e kore e tūtuki rawa ngā auatanga o te rā, ko tētahi o ngā pau whakataki ko John Ransfield. With me today is my Uncle John, a very famous hunter, well known throughout the country, and he is actually the sole judge for this pig hunting competition. Uncle John,
Yeah, kia ora, Howie.
good to see you. About 25 years ago last time we went out hunting together.
Yeah, well, time flies all right.
Long time, eh? How long has this competition been going?
Oh, this is the seventh year this competition's been running, and it gets bigger and bigger every year. I think the first year we ran it, we had about 70 entries, and I think now it's well over 140. I don't know what the tally is this year. It could even be up over 160 this year.
So right,
But they come from all over, way up north, Gisborne, Wellington. We even get 2 or 3 from the South Island. They come up. All pigs must be feral bred, or the feral species, so that eliminates a lot of tame pigs. There are tame pigs out there running around in the wild, and people do catch them, and I suppose they are wild pigs, but they're not of the feral breed, so that eliminates them. Yeah, we have a few suspect pigs come in every competition, maybe 1 or 2, like pigs that have been caught outside the limit, the time limit, maybe caught a week before and put in the deep freeze and then thawed out and brought to the competition, and you check. You have to check there, and sometimes you put your hand down their throat and they're frozen and all sorts. We don't actually make a big thing about it because our aim is to make this competition run good. No hiccups. If a suspect pig comes in, we just earmark it, and as far as we're concerned, it won't win anything. Rather than call the chap out and accuse him of cheating and all that, it only causes a lot of animosity, so we just get on with it.
But I heard you usually take your mokos out, but the old hearing isn't too hot these days.
Yeah, well, I've got a mokopuna. He should have been here today, but I have to take him now for my hearing, but he's just turned 17 now, and he's chasing other things beside pigs now, and my hunting is becoming a bit limited. But we still get out. Yeah.
How has hunting changed in terms of dogs and the size of pigs? I know the size of pigs isn't as big as what we used to get.
Yeah, well, there was more bigger pigs around then. One of the trouble is today is getting access to places. There's 3 times as many hunters as there was 30 years ago. Pigs don't really get a chance now to... you get anything over 100 pound now is a good pig.
Yeah.
You know, you can go back to when I was young. You know, when I was 8 or 9, we hunted with all the old fellas on horses and that, and their dogs got a 100 pounder. They wouldn't even get off their horse to kill it. They just sit there and let the dogs kill it and then carry on.
Is that right?
You know, a good pig was 200 pound, 300 pound.
In terms of the competition, you have kids' prizes, best sow, best boar, best tusks. And...
No, we don't have prizes for sows. It's boars only.
Oh, okay.
But if someone brings in a sow, it's just counted as a pig.
In terms of weight?
In terms of weight, yeah. But we have... one of the main reasons this competition has been so good, it's targeted kids to get them involved in it.
Tērā tua no te hunga tinihanga ki tēnei o ngā tākoro. Nā wai anō ko hiro ma te hunga whakawā, i ā ta tiro e ngā mahi tinihanga, kia kore e ara ake, he raruraru. He rā mahi katoa, he mahi arotake, mā ngā kai whakawā. Kia ora, Bez.
Yeah, good.
Over here we've got Basil. He's the guy that comes in here and weighs all the pigs in and checks their authenticity. What do you reckon about the last pig that came in?
Well, it was a beauty, all right.
165?
Yeah, 165. He looked like about a 4 or 5-year-old bull. He done a bit of rooting around his day too.
Is that right?
Good old, you know.
We'll go and have a...
Yeah.
You can talk to me about that later on, but there seem to be all the ginger and black ones coming in with all the weight.
Yeah, more so you get a dominant bull in one area, eh?
Oh,
And they sort of different areas they have that dominant bull.
So they might be related, you reckon?
Well, they could be.
Twins.
They could be far out, you never know.
And I see another pig come on earlier on, and you sort of got a knack and the nose sense, and he said it was caught on Friday. How did you know that?
Oh, just by the colour of the meat and the fat. The fat, it's sort of set hard on it, and just the coloration inside, and also around the tongue, there's starting a little bit of blue in it.
Oh, yeah.
You can pick it up here. Basically, it's just they've sort of rigor mortis set in a bit too much.
Is that your is that experience from your normal daytime job as a vet?
Yeah,
that
right it.
E toru haora noi ho kei te toi, kia kati ai te kēti ki ngā kaiwhakangau puaka. Tērā etahi tangata, ka waihomo te haora whakamutunga, ki te tuku i a rātau puaka. Neke atu i te whātakau ngā puaka kua kiro karamutia. Ki te koro pū haere te toto. Ka hoku mai anō tātou ki te whakataitai whakangau puaka. Kia mutu anō te pūkenga o te wiki, i runga i a Hunting Aotearoa. Here's a little tip for all you hunters out there. When you go out into the bush and the missus forgot to put the tea bags in your old pack, bit of hot water. And what we use is natural medicines or leaves or roots that grow specifically in the bush. For example, right here. Aroa mai tāne, the old kawakawa leaf. Better than a bloody dilmati, I tell you. Next time you're in the bush, try one. Bit of hot water, a few kawakawa leaves, and away you go. All we need now is a few hoo-hoo bugs, but that's our next tip. Kia ora. Mai hoki mai anō ki te bulri, ko tai mai ngā toenga maramara, mai iwiwi mai wawa, ka kōrero tia e rātou o rātou kāro, o e nei tū momo whakataitai.
The people, the basic kiwis, with the guys, because I do a bit of hunting myself, but just to see the hogs hanging up and just everyday kiwis there, really good. It's good value. It's part of what New Zealand's about, I think. Yeah.
But like people come here and they, they've come for like years and years. Always enter and follow all the pig hunting things around.
Yeah.
I'm like these fellas, first time over here. Enjoyed it. We went out this morning, 3 pigs, but never sort of got them on the back of the truck. But it was just good buzz, eh, mate? And having a look at these pigs, wants you to get into it a bit more, eh?
The day up for the family. What's the day?
Look on him here, this sort of stuff down here, you see he's worn out. If you look here.
Yeah, what's that caused by?
That's by right in the old sows.
Is that right? It's a bit worn, eh? A bit worn in the chest area. Not like my one.
But he's got about the second best tusk here, eh? The only thing that stopped it was a little bit off the end, they probably used to when they got him here.
These two old fellas here got their young nephews and their young sons, because these two fellas are too old now, so they do all their carrying. Is that right, Kiss? How was your? I see you fellas pulling with about 6 pigs and 1 big deer.
Yeah, 7 pigs.
Oh, 7?
Yeah, and they got 7, and yeah, they did well.
And I see one with no head. Was that because you couldn't cut the ear tags off, or couldn't find the head?
Couldn't find the head. We got a good holder. That by the time they got that, eating the head.
Is that right? Yeah, go on now. You fellas don't like brawn. And how long you fellas been hunting in this competition?
Since the start. Yeah, since the start.
7 years ago.
Yeah.
Won any prizes?
Oh, always come last.
Yeah. No.
I see a trophy in there for the best bullshit story with a few of your fellas' names on it.
Yeah.
Is there someone else?
We'll never win that, bro. Jason will always win that.
Jason
will always win that.
He's a little bit of a hard weekend now, mate, Jason. whakamutia te puaka whakamutunga me te taumaha haere o tēnei o ngā whakataitai. Ko te kaute whakamutunga o ngā puaka, ko eke ki te iwa te kau. Ka tahi ka timata te rere haere o ngā kōrero, ki wainganui te hunga whakangau. Ko wai ka tohu, ko wai ka hua. Engari rā, kei a John Ransfield, e tana tira te whakatau whakamutunga.
Oh, well, Uncle, another year gone, all the results through.
Yeah.
How, in comparison to last year, how are the numbers in terms of entries?
Oh, the entries are up a bit. There's 534 entries this year. Last year we had about 526, I think it was.
And a lot of them just enter and don't even hunt. Just try and win the spot prizes.
Yeah, a lot of them just love supporting the competition. But the average weight was 75.5 pound. That was the big prize winner. That won the $1,000.
Oh yeah.
And the best tusks was won by Scott Bartman, I think his name was. He won $300 for that.
Scott Bartman.
The heaviest pig was $500. There was 190 pound. That was won by Brendan McLean, I think his name was.
You actually thought it was a sow when you first got it?
I thought it was a big sow, but it turned out to be a good boar.
And, what about Mum? What does she have to put up with when you fellas are gallivanting all around the country?
I think she's used to it now. It's hunting 3-4 times a week. So.
And it's better than waiting for the husband to come back from the pub.
Yeah.
At least he brings home the bacon.
No, I get to join in a bit. Quite a bit.
And is it an annual event for you?
Yeah, no, we come in it every year.
Are you a permanent Butch Cassidy and Sundance kid type thing?
We teamed up about a month ago, and we've only caught good boars together so far, so I think we'll keep going at a team effort the way we do.
Yeah, actually one there with no ears, I think that actually took the lead there for a while, but then I saw your big black one turn up.
Yeah, no, we were going to wait until the last minute. We didn't want to miss the weigh-in, so we thought we'd just turn up.
They bring home the bacon again, Mum? What about is it the young fella or young girl?
It's the young fella.
Young fella going to be a hunter like the father?
He's already caught about 10 pigs.
Is that right?
A couple of times.
He's doing well for a 2-year-old.
And last year? How did you get on last year?
Last year we got 3 pigs, all around 100 pound, but we didn't weigh any of them in. We were a bit busy celebrating.
Oh well, boys, congratulations. The winners with the heaviest pig, all the way from Tongariro. Wish you all the best for next year. See you again next year. And let's go and have a couple of orange juices to celebrate. Cheers. Kia ora.
Okay, thank you.
Te kau mā whitu tau noiho, te pakeke o te toi te māhine. I wiki tōria te rea ngā wahine me te toru rau tā.
$300 is pretty good. It'll help for my school and stuff. This week here won it. It was scrappy ears and he ripped me in half. Did. Yeah. It was 130 pound from the back of my house. It's a secret. Get out, Sid. I'll be back. I'm gonna come back to win it too. Again.
Yeah, we live in Maro, you know, just up the road there, and hey, we had daughters like that. She's a credit to her grandfather and her grandmother, mate. Her grandmother's unveiling next week, and these pigs are going to there.
Ka aroha hoki ki ngā kai whakangau, ki hai I taia te tuku I a rātou puaka ki te whakawā, nā te takaroa. Aha kua kaore rātou I Waimaria ki ngā kaunga moni. Kaora anō rātou I ngā miti puaka, hei whānga I te pātaka kai. I whakaora I te whatumanoa o manaia.
I see someone turn up about 3 minutes past 2 and had a couple of good pigs here.
Yeah, unfortunately for him, the cuddle time is 2 o'clock and we stick pretty much to time, otherwise it's too many kickbacks otherwise. So it's easy just to cut it off when you advertise the time and that's it.
He hia ke ngā rangatahi Māori e uru nei ki tēnei tākore, ara te whakangau poaka. Nā tēnei tūāhuatanga, kua whai oranga anō ngā marae te miti poaka, me te pupuri hoki i ngā tikanga, e pāna ki te manaaki tangata. Ki te mārama katoa ngā pakeke, ki te ātā poipoi i ngā rangatahi ki te kapowake i ngā tikanga o te whakangau. Ka whina tērā i a rātou ki te tui i a rātou hononga ki te whenua.
Oh, well, Uncle, a successful weekend again, eh?
Yeah, no, it was a good year.
Tune in again same time next year.
Tune in again same time next year. Yep.
Ko tahi rau ngā poaka i whakangaua ki tēnei o ngā whakataitai. I te hoki ngā atu o ngā tāngata, ki o rātou kāinga, ka timata noa rātou whakaritenga o te tau ke te heke mai. Ko ngā mahi o tēnei whakataitai, ka pūrākautia o ngā rāoa popo.
Few piggies went to the market, few piggies stayed at home. These piggies are going to turn up in the pot with the watercress tomorrow. Hopefully mine. And hopefully the gout don't come back. So on behalf of my uncle, thank you very much once again. And especially to our lovely host, people of the Bull Ring. See you again sometime soon, hopefully in your own rohe. Kia ora.
Kia ora, Howie.
Ko a tātou kōrero mo te pōnei e pāna ki ngā mahi tāhere mani. E ki ana ko te miro o te hua hei whakahiunu i te mani. Ka whauwhau hia he pito rākau pēnei rawa Aotearoa, nuku atu i te whāputu ki te ono putu. Ana pēnei te whānui, walu inihi ki te tekau inihi te whānui. I etahi wā karekau he wai i ngā wāhi noho o te mani. Koina ka kaue atu he wai mā roto i ngā waka kareru a kia rātou, ki wā rātou wāhi kai. Ka waiho te waka kareru ki ngā wāhi tika ki runga i te rākau me te wai kai roto. Ka whakamaua ki ngā pau. Ka lulukuitia ngā pau nei ki wētahi peka pakari kia tū māro ai. Ka whakatako tō pae te waka kereru. Kia ngā wari te umai o te manu ki runga i ona taha, ana kia pai tana unu i te wai. Tā rātou mahi, ka waiho tia te waka kereru mō tētahi takiwā. Ana kia tau ngā rawa te manu ki tēnei āhua. I te wā ka tino tau ngā manu nei i tēnei āhua, kātahi ka hangaia te māhanga i ngā taha ērua o te waka kereru. Ka hara mai te manu, ana ka tatu ki runga i te waka kereru. I mue tā rātou ni te wai, me kuhu anō wā rātou māhunga, mā roto i te māhanga. Ana ka mutu i wā rātou unu ki te whaka, ku mea mai wā rātou māhunga. Ki waho, kātahi ka whakakiki te māhanga, i wā rātou koroko, ka nanati te korokoro. Koe nei te tino hua o tēnei mea te waka kereru.
Well, that's our show. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again next time when we go hunting in Aotearoa. So until then, safe hunting and kia ora.
Action.
Kia ora. My name's Howie Morrison Jr. And I wish I remembered my next line. Well, that's our show. And hunting, many...
te manga.
Ai pāho.